In the shadows of the sky, an unblinking Israeli drone watches, silent, precise, unstoppable. Meet the Hermes 900, the unmanned guardian that can stay aloft for more than a day, gather intelligence from hundreds of kilometers away, and strike before the enemy even knows it's there. This is not just a drone. It's Israel's long endurance eye in the sky. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of Israel's most advanced and trusted aerial platforms, the Hermes 900 UAV, built by Elbit Systems. This drone represents the cutting edge of endurance, surveillance, and precision in modern warfare. In an age where information dominance decides the outcome of conflicts, the Hermes 900 has become an indispensable asset for intelligence gathering, reconnaissance, and even combat missions. Designed for long-duration flights, it operates seamlessly in both civilian and military applications, from border security to disaster monitoring. But what truly sets this UAV apart isn't just its flight endurance. It's the technology, adaptability, and battle-proven performance that make it one of the most respected drones worldwide. So let's take off and explore how this silent guardian redefines what an eye in the sky can truly do for a nation's defense and security. The Hermes 900 story begins with Elbit Systems, a leading Israeli defense manufacturer that has spent decades pioneering unmanned technologies. Building on the success of its predecessor, the Hermes 450, which saw extensive service across global defense forces, Elbit sought to create a UAV with greater range, endurance, and payload versatility. Development started in the mid-2000s, with the first prototype taking flight around 2009. It was quickly recognized for its advanced sensor suite and modular design. Israel's defense planners wanted a drone capable of multi-mission operations, one that could perform persistent surveillance, deliver precision strikes, and adapt rapidly to changing combat needs. The Hermes 900 was the answer. Its maiden operational use came during Operation Protective Edge in 2014, where it proved its endurance and accuracy under real battlefield conditions. Since then, multiple nations, including Switzerland, Brazil, Chile, and the Philippines, have added it to their fleets, validating its global reputation as a reliable, all-weather intelligence platform. At first glance, the Hermes 900 stands out for its sleek, aerodynamic frame and extended wingspan, a design tailored for efficiency at high altitudes. With a wingspan of 15 meters and a maximum takeoff weight of around 100 kilograms, it's categorized as a medium-altitude long-endurance (AMELV) UAV. Its composite airframe provides strength while keeping weight low, allowing it to stay airborne for more than 36 hours continuously. The drone features a V-tail configuration for better control and stability, while its fixed tricycle landing gear ensures smooth takeoffs and landings even on rough terrain. The design philosophy behind the Hermes 900 emphasizes modularity. It can be easily reconfigured with different payloads, sensors, and communication equipment depending on the mission. Whether it's a border patrol in peacetime or a surveillance operation in contested airspace, this platform's versatile design ensures that it remains ready for anything, a perfect blend of endurance, stealth, and adaptability. The Hermes 900 is powered by a Rotax 914 4-stroke turbocharged engine, which allows it to reach speeds of up to 220 kilometers per hour and operate at altitudes as high as 30,000 feet. Its efficient engine design supports missions that demand long loiter times, an essential capability for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance EISR of operations. What's remarkable is the drone's ability to operate in extreme weather conditions. Equipped with anti-icing systems and high-altitude performance capabilities, it can function effectively in tropical heat or freezing mountain air. Its low acoustic signature makes it nearly undetectable from the ground, providing a stealth advantage during sensitive missions. Every aspect of its performance, from range to fuel efficiency, has been optimized to ensure minimal downtime and maximum coverage. In essence, The Hermes 900 is designed to stay in the air when others must land, watching, collecting, and relaying data in real time to command centers miles away. The real power of the Hermes 900 lies in its sensor payloads, the technological, yes, that make it so effective. It carries an array of advanced systems, including electro-optical, infrareds, EO/IR cameras, synthetic aperture radar (SAR), and maritime patrol radars. These sensors allow operators to capture high-resolution imagery both day and night, even through cloud cover or smoke. The drone's CUM-INT and ELANT seats can intercept and analyze communications or electronic signals, giving military planners valuable insights into enemy activities. Another standout feature is its multi-payload capability, the ability to carry several sensors simultaneously without compromising endurance. Through its real-time data link, the Hermes 900 transmits live video and sensor feeds directly to ground control, ensuring that decision makers always have the latest intelligence. This makes it ideal for border patrol, search and rescue operations, and monitoring large maritime zones. A versatile surveillance powerhouse trusted around the world. Flexibility defines the Hermes 900. It's not limited to just intelligence or reconnaissance. It can handle a wide range of missions. These include target acquisition, battle damage assessment, communication relay, maritime surveillance, and even limited strike capabilities when fitted with precision munitions. Its modular payload system enables quick swapping of mission kits, allowing the UAV to transition from a surveillance platform to a support drone within hours. Beyond the battlefield, it has proven invaluable for civilian applications like wildfire monitoring, disaster relief, and search and rescue operations. For instance, during the 2015 Chile wildfires, Hermes 900 drones were deployed to monitor fire spread and direct emergency crews efficiently. This adaptability, bridging military and humanitarian missions, underscores why so many nations invest in this UAV. It's not just a war tool, it's a comprehensive intelligence and response system capable of safeguarding lives and maintaining situational awareness in any environment. The Hermes 900's advanced command and control system ensures seamless coordination between the drone and its ground operators. It uses a line of sight OS communication system for short-range control and a satellite communication SATCOM link for beyond line of sight missions, giving it an operational range of hundreds of kilometers. Operators manage the drone via an intuitive ground control station, GCS, equipped with real-time displays, mission planning tools, and data processing systems. The control system allows multiple UAVs to be operated simultaneously, maximizing coverage and efficiency. Its redundant communication links ensure uninterrupted contact, even in electronically contested environments. With encrypted transmissions, the Hermes 900 maintains secure and reliable data exchange, crucial in modern electronic warfare scenarios. Every bit of information, from live video feeds to telemetry, flows instantly between sky and ground, empowering decision makers with real-time intelligence and operational flexibility. Since its combat debut with the Israeli Air Force in 2014, the Hermes 900 has gained international acclaim. It's now in service with multiple countries, including Switzerland, Brazil, Mexico, Greece, and the Philippines. Each nation employs it for unique missions, from border patrols to maritime surveillance. During Operation Protective Edge, the Hermes 900 demonstrated its ability to stay airborne for extended durations while providing continuous ISR coverage over complex urban terrain. In Brazil, it was used to enhance security during major events like the 2014 FIFA World Cup and Rio Olympics, where it monitored large crowds and supported police coordination. Switzerland uses it for national border security, while other countries employ it for maritime reconnaissance. These diverse applications reflect its adaptability to different geographic and operational conditions. wherever it flies. The Hermes 900 reinforces its reputation as a dependable and intelligent force multiplier. Elbit Systems continues to upgrade the Hermes 900 to meet evolving battlefield requirements. Recent variants include the Hermes 900 Starliner, a version compliant with civilian airspace standards, enabling operations in controlled skies alongside manned aircraft. This variant incorporates enhanced automation, advanced collision avoidance systems, and certified flight safety features, bridging the gap between military and civil aviation. Other upgrades focus on AI-assisted data analysis, improved autonomous flight management, and enhanced sensor fusion capabilities for even sharper situational awareness. These advancements make the Hermes 900 not just relevant, but future-ready in an era dominated by digital warfare and artificial intelligence. With ongoing innovation, Elbit Systems ensures that this UAV remains one of the most sophisticated unmanned aerial systems on Earth, capable of integrating into network-centric warfare environments while maintaining its unmatched endurance and precision. The Hermes 900 symbolizes Israel's mastery in unmanned aerial innovation. It embodies a strategic philosophy that values precision, intelligence, and endurance over brute force. By providing continuous eyes on the ground capability, it grants commanders a decisive edge in surveillance and response. The UAV's proven reliability in multiple climates and conflicts has inspired a new generation of drones worldwide. Beyond its military role, the Hermes 900 also represents how unmanned systems can support peacekeeping, humanitarian aid, and disaster relief missions. Its legacy goes beyond hardware. It's about redefining air power in the modern age. In an increasingly interconnected world, where information and timing are everything, the Hermes 900 stands as a silent sentinel of the skies, protecting nations and saving lives without ever being seen. If you found this deep dive into the Hermes 900 UAV fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next military tech breakdown. Share this video with fellow defense enthusiasts and let us know in the comments which advanced drone should we cover next.